In this video, we compare HS700E drone with certification and Avata Explorer Drone Combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS700E drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing an unhindered flying experience. Equipped with a 4K EIS anti-shake camera, this drone offers stable video transmission and a wide field of vision for capturing precious moments. The drone features GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, offering stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. The HS700E drone is packed with additional features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, all controlled via the Ophelia application. The drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it easy to use outdoors and safely store when not in use. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, requiring no complicated preparation and featuring modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. The DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo provides an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design and the inclusion of DJI goggles Integra and DJI RC Motion 2. The drone features an upgraded camera system, offering ultra-smooth 4K footage with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155° FOV, providing next-level imagery. Despite its compact palm-sized design, the Avata is capable of agile maneuvers, making it ideal for adventures. The Avata drone offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and enhanced safety with a built-in propeller guard, allowing it to handle minor contact and continue flying. The drone is backed by DJI O3 Plus video transmission, providing a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. The Avata Explorer Combo is compliant with FAA Remote ID rules, making it a reliable and legal choice for drone enthusiasts. The Holy Stone HS700E and the DJI Avata Explorer Drone Combo are both impressive quadcopters with unique features. Both drones are FAA certified, allowing for legal and unhindered flying. The HS700E boasts a 4K EIS anti-shake camera, while the Avata offers an upgraded camera system with a 1.7-inch sensor and a super-wide 155° FOV, ensuring high-quality imagery in both. The HS700E utilizes GPS and GLONASS navigation systems for stable hovering and reliable return-to-home function, whereas the Avata relies on the DJI O3 Plus video transmission for a sharp and responsive HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. The HS700E is packed with features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, while the Avata offers agile maneuvers and an impressive 18-minute flight time. Both drones are user-friendly. The HS700E requires no complicated preparation and features modules like altitude hold and headless mode, while the Avata offers an immersive flight experience with its integrated wearing design. The HS700E comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, while the Avata is palm-sized, making it easy to carry on any adventure. Both drones provide excellent value, with the HS700E priced at $329.99 and the Avata at $829, reflecting their respective features and capabilities.